This is News 14 Carolina meteorologist Matthew East here on the Weather on the Ones Forecast Center. This is the Tuesday edition of the Carolina Weather Video here for this 23rd day of June here. And heat, a big weather story across the country. It's not so bad at all here in the Carolinas. Let me show you a look back, first of all, yesterday at the storm reports. There was a big complex of storms that developed near the Ohio River, dropped southeastward. There you go. Notice all the wind damage reports from Kentucky and Indiana down through Georgia, and that complex of storms eventually moved into Florida as I'm cutting this video this morning. What's left of it is down in the Bahamas and dropping southeastward. Another complex of storms in Nebraska and South Dakota, and still some showers in portions of the New England states. But heat's been a big weather story. Yesterday, we had Hattiesburg, Mississippi hit 100, Mobile hit 100, New Orleans hit 96, Pensacola hit 101. All those are record high temperatures for yesterday, and it was very, very muggy in those regions as well, and more heat coming in those locations today. Let me show you the weather map for today. This is off of the NAM model, and the thing to note here, notice the very warm temperatures up at 850 millibars in the Plains states. Not a lot of precip in those areas either. And for our area, it's going to be a pretty nice day. Mainly upper 80s for highs here in the Carolinas, at least in the Piedmont and North Carolina. Upper 80s, lower than normal humidity values for this time of year, so really a pretty nice day. There's the temperatures for highs today, courtesy of Right Weather across the country. And notice a lot of triple digits showing up again in the southern plains, into the deep south. Jackson, Mississippi will probably hit 100. New Orleans in the upper 80s to near 100. Mobile will make a run at 100 again. So will Pensacola and Panama City, Florida. It's just going to be a nasty day with heat again in that part of the lower 48. In terms of thunderstorm chances today, you have to go up to the high plains to hit any significant risk of severe weather today. All right, let's go out to tomorrow. And notice the NAM here indicating the small chance for a couple of pop-up late-day storms toward the Sand Hills and the coastal plain. That's possible, but I've left the forecast dry here for the Piedmont zones today and tomorrow. Again, tomorrow we're talking upper 80s to around 90 for high temperatures, still a little bit lower than normal humidity values. And here we go out to Thursday afternoon. Same deal. High temperatures probably up toward the lower 90s in most spots. But the chance of rain Thursday is still pretty low here in the Carolinas, especially in the Piedmont. But as we get into the day Friday, I do think we'll see some scattered showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon and the evening hours, especially in the eastern two-thirds of the state. So we'll mention the scattered thunderstorm chance Friday. And Saturday now looks mainly dry, highs pretty close to 90. We go out to Sunday, and the next little disturbance approaches. And beginning Sunday on through the end of the 7-day outlook, I'm going to include the chance of at least some scattered thunderstorm chances. That's Monday. GFS probably a little overdone with that, but at least the chance for some scattered thunderstorms coming up each afternoon, Sunday onward through the rest of the 7-day outlook. All right, let's talk tropics here, and no organized systems. There is one little area of slight concern in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. That's the satellite imagery this morning. A really disorganized area of showers and storms in the Bay of Campeche up toward Brownsville, Texas. Looks like the chances of that developing are pretty low, but we'll keep an eye on it. All right, so our overall weather stories, not bad here at all in the Carolinas the next couple of days. Oppressive heat and humidity, the southern plains through the lower Mississippi Valley and portions of the deep south. But meanwhile, we're enjoying weather that's not that bad. Highs in the upper 80s. The next couple of days up toward the lower 90s thereafter. There could be some low 90s staying tomorrow, but you get the idea. Not at all bad for summertime, and humidity values the next couple of days lower than normal, getting back to closer to normal levels, though, as we go through Friday and the weekend. And down the line, we do bring in the chance of at least some scattered thunderstorms at times. All right, that's it for today's edition of the video. Everyone have a wonderful Tuesday, and God bless.